Hi students, today we're going to be discussing text features. On the screen, you're going to see anchor chart titled Text Features. Please pay attention to the following when you read the story that follows this video. Text features are text and graphics that help explain ideas or help readers locate information in a text, such as a book or a magazine. Bold text is darker than the rest of the text around it because it tells the reader that the words that are in bold text are important. Think about real life. For instance, at a stop sign, the word stop is bolded in white letters to emphasize to a driver to stop at that traffic intersection. Diagrams are also another text feature, and diagrams are pictures with labels. Look at that house in front of you. That house has a roof, a door, and a window. They're labeled to show the reader the different types of things in a house. Text can also be in different colors. These colors can mean something important, or they could just be there for fun in a story. Text can also be in different sizes. Bigger text is usually more important than smaller text because we want to emphasize the importance of these words. For instance, when we say hello in bold or bigger text, we want to emphasize the tone that we are using. So pay close attention to these features when you read the story that follows this video. Thank you for listening and have a great day.